In this video, we are going to go over how the Auction 99 Challenge works, and you are going to meet the competition. Here we go. Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. Hey everyone, I am Courtney, also known as Bolo Buddies, and I have put together a 99-cent auction challenge. It is going to be fun. We have over 20 people participating in this challenge. These are YouTubers that are resellers that are willing to auction their items for 99 cents. But here's the catch, we need your help. We need you guys to vote. We are gonna bring 10 items to a video on Wednesday, March 24th. That's when the first video will drop. We're gonna show you guys 10 items, and you guys are gonna vote on which 5 you want us to auction off on eBay for 99 cents. So be sure to get your votes in by Friday night at midnight, because we have to get our auctions ready to list on eBay by Sunday, the 28th. Those will be a 7-day auction that will run until April 4th. So here's what I need you to do. We are gonna be using the hashtag VoteAuction99. So again, it is VoteAuction99, and you put the hashtag symbol in front of that. Now, when you put that in, I'm gonna show you right now what that's gonna look like on YouTube. So you go to the YouTube search bar, put in hashtag VoteAuction99, and it is gonna pull up all of the participants. All right, check this out. Let me show you how it works. Okay, I am on YouTube. This is the search bar. I'm gonna use hashtag Thrift15 because that was the last challenge that we did. There were 12 people that were a part of this challenge. So I'm gonna click on the hashtag, and when I pull that up, you are gonna see actually 13 videos because there's somebody that used the same hashtag, but there were 12 of us that competed, and that will take you directly to all of the videos. So when we do this one, you're gonna put the hashtag I mentioned up in the search bar, hit that hashtag symbol, and it will pull up everybody competing in this challenge. So on Wednesday, the 24th, go into YouTube search bar, put that hashtag in, and you will see everybody's videos. What you guys need to do is go and vote, because you guys have control of which 5 items are gonna go to auction. This is a great opportunity for you to bid on an item for 99 cents with free shipping. With over 20 people competing in this auction challenge, you have a lot of items that you could get for a steal of a deal. Okay, now what you need to do is mark your calendar for Sunday, March 28th. And you need to go back in and put that hashtag back into the YouTube search, because you guys are gonna then go back to the videos and check the description of the videos, because we are all gonna link the 5 winning items in our description. So you guys can click on those links and go see which items we listed for 99 cents. Did your item make the cut? And if you want to bid, that would be awesome. And if you don't, no worries, no problem. But all of these YouTubers are taking some risks. So if you want to bid, that would be amazing. All right, let's go on to the next step. Okay, so the auctions end the following Sunday on April 4th. So now all of the YouTubers are gonna tally up their totals, and they're going to send them to me on Instagram, and I am gonna find out who the winner is, okay? I will be announcing that on my What Sold video that we will all be posting on April 7th, Wednesday, April 7th. So you're gonna wanna put in the hashtag What Sold Auction 99 on Wednesday, April 7th, and that will pull up all of the videos for all of the people participating. And you're gonna see what they sold their items for. Wonder if anybody's gonna have a Bolo. So April 7th, Wednesday, is when you're gonna get to see all of our What Solds. So what does the winner get? The winner gets a thrifted prize from all of the losers. And when I say losers, we're really all winners, but somebody's gotta win. And in this video challenge, it is gonna be based on who sold their items for the most money. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. I think I covered everything. If you have questions, please put them in the comments. Everyone participating in this challenge is a reseller with reseller content, so be sure to check out their channels, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. Okay, let's meet the competition. First off, you have me, of course, Bolo Buddies. Make sure you're following me on my new channel, Sourcing with Bolo Buddies. We have Over the Years, Yard Sales and Dreams, Farm Girl Scavenger Noel, Auctions for You, Donatella Bottolino, Mountain Man Treasure, Cajun Reseller, Butterfly Hustles, Rebel Junk, Resale Therapy Kidlit, Adventures with Victoria, OBX Picker, Lisa's Finding the Redo, Melissa aka Vandus Closet, Zombie Bargain Hunter, Philly Picker, AEIOU from eBay, Moonstone Mamas, Art Vandalay, Jen's Closet Gems, January House, The Flippin' Sports Guy, Becca Sells, Rachel Strickland, Mindful Recycle, Boris and Natasha Wheelin' and Dealin', LL Stash Larry, Joey Bada Bing 22, and Mr. Buys a Lot. Okay, we have some big time competitors. This is going to be fun. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook for updates. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.